Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about this bake pivot gizmo thing here in the matrix. And yeah, when do you need it and for what? So I try to find an example. Okay. So here, um, so I select here, this is a tube. So you see here the tube curve and so on, and this is also a tube, and here also, and it's not validated so at the moment. Okay, so when I activate now the gizmo, you see here the gizmo is here on the bottom of the tube, here also this position, and here on this position. And here I have a small leaf, so I select now the leaf. This leaf is in the world center here, and so I position the pivot here for this. So I place it here on this position here, and maybe like this. So I think this is a good position. Okay, so then I activate the pivot position here. Okay, and now I want this leaf here, this point to this point. So I want to bring it to this position here. So okay, this is this tube here, and I pick now the ivy leaf and put it as a child to this tube here. So now watch what happens when I press here so you see here the translation to this object, and when I press here reset, it puts the leaf to this position and not to this position. Okay, I go a step back. So, okay, so first I bake this pivot position of the leaf to the mesh. So I bake this. And then I press the tube and bake this pivot position to the mesh. So I press bake. So now when I press reset, it should jump from this point to this, I hope. So I press reset, yes. Okay. So in fact, you can also press here for the translation reset. So like this here, and you can reset the rotation also. Okay, so you see here it works. So now it works, so it's correct. Maybe I'll scale it a little bit and then that's fine. So again, let's test the whole workflow again on this tube here. So I put this under this tube. What happens when I press reset? So it jumps to the mesh center. So, and now I select this one and bake the gizmo pivot position. So now it's grayed out. And now when I press reset, it jumps to the correct position. And so, and for what do you need this? So okay. So maybe you create here, come on, I need this curve repeater thing here. So you use now here for this the curve repeater. And you put the leaf inside the curve repeater. So now you can change the count, and we don't need the radii. And then we activate randomize and a twist. So maybe you can use it for such ivy things here. Yeah. Okay, but the video was about this bake gizmo thing here. So, okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.